Well, g'day guys, and welcome back to the Boomerang Biker channel. So if you've been following my tours, you'll know I've been using the Lone Rider Moto bags for about 9 months now, and I've actually done quite an in-depth review of those. I'll put a link to that somewhere up here. The only drawback I've had with the bags is the lack of ability to quickly disconnect them and take them into a hotel or over to a tent if you're camping. So I've actually been looking at my own quick release system, as the official Lone Rider one is about $400 on top of the price of the bags if you want to retrofit them. Now, a buddy of mine who lives out in the Netherlands, a guy called Richard, he's actually beaten me to it, and he's adapted a quick release system to fit onto an Africa Twin. But the bars are quite similar, so you could use this idea and adapt them to any bike that you wanted to. So let's nip over to the Netherlands and take a look at his video. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
I'm Richard. I post regularly on our groups from the Africa Twin Adventure Sports. I just went on a trip with my sister for a few days, and I have tested my own quick release system for the moto bags from Lone Rider with the Outback Motortech racks. These are the bags. The racks are basically, you know them. The problem with these bags is that you have to attach them with 4 clamps and 8 nuts and bolts. This means you attach them and you can't really take them off unless you take a key, and you have to take all the nuts off, and it's a lot of work. It takes you 10 to 15 minutes per bag, maybe a bit faster, but it takes time. And when you're in a campsite and you want to quickly take the bags off, that's not possible. So I decided to develop my own quick release system for these bags, for the simple reason that Lone Rider developed a quick release system, but these are not suitable for these racks. So what did I do? I removed all the clamps and I designed a back rack. Basically, it's 20mm by 5mm steel strips. I needed about 2 meters 40 for it. Bent them on the outside, on the low side. Bend them in a 90-degree corner here and put an extra piece of metal here. This one is the left side, and I'll show you in a minute why this one is different. It has an extra clamp on the side, and these two are meant to center the bag in the rack, so it falls exactly in there. I'll show you in a minute. So I'll show you how it works. It is connected with 2 pins. One pin is a quick pin, and the other one is a padlock, which locks the bag to the rack so they can't be removed by anyone who wants to take the bag, and it keeps the bag in place. Simple. Take a key. I hope to. So take the key, lock, pull the lock out. The other side is done with a lock ball pin, it is called. You push the button and it releases the little balls on the end so it can come out. And you just hold it back and you take it off. It takes you 10 seconds. That's it. You see the shape? I'll turn this one around. You can see this design. This has the pins both on the top side. This one has one on the top and one on the side. And that has to do with the different shape of the rack, because this one, if you put this one on, I'll show you how it works. You slide them in the clips below, fold it up, it falls in between, and as you can see, there's the steel pipe on top, so you can't push a pin from the top, and I decided to do it from the front. Now, Put this one in. It's in. Extra security, little ring, which will never fall off. Take the lock from the back, put it to the hole, flip it, and it's locked. Won't go anywhere. So this is my solution to a quick release system, homemade, first time I'd ever tried. And I think it worked out great because I just did a 5-day trip and they were absolutely perfect. So when you get to a campsite, it's really easy. Just take the lock off, take the pin out, and you just take the whole bag off like I showed before. So in case you want some more detailed photos, I have them. I can show you with this one again. It's really easy.
Oh.
You take the bag, you slide them in the lower slots, flip it up, slide it forward, put the pin in, like that, little security ring, take the lock, put that one in here, close it, securely fastened to the rack, and it cannot be removed due to the lock. That's it. If you want to know how, just send me a message. Bye guys.